welcome to the OpenShift Superhero Awards. So OpenShift superheroes are builders, so they contribute to the evolution of OpenShift. Advocates who amplify OpenShift experience and learning through events, blogs, meetups, so they come to these things and they speak to you. And ambassadors, and they share their knowledge across diverse teams, industries, and organizations. So these are our in-person superheroes. We have Mike Whale from Lloyds, who is from here in the UK. And Mike is a builder. Jef, he is an advocate, and he's here from Belgium. And I want everyone to say moyen to Luc, who is ambassador from Luxembourg. So Mike was nominated by Steve Mulholland from Red Hat as a builder. And Mike, can you tell us a little bit about your OpenShift journey?
Hi, yeah, thank you. So thank you for the award. Very pleased to be receiving the award. It's very special, to be recognised, so thank you. So Lloyds Banking Group, we started probably in about 2017 with IBM Cloud Private. We rolled into Cloud Private, and after 2 years, that was deprecated. And so we needed to migrate onto a new platform, and that was OpenShift. And since then, we've not looked back. It's an absolutely brilliant platform to work on, and it's a joy to work in. And really, this award represents not an award for me, but an award for a great team that I happen to work in. The team works really, really hard, and they've, do a great job, and it's, a really great place to work in.
Jef was nominated by his coworker, Dennis.
My journey started in 2016, I think, early OpenShift 3. I've always worked as a consultant, so had a lot of fun with the playbooks back then, getting OpenShift deployed. Once deployed, automating the deployment of applications, but most of my time was spent on the playbooks. Then I moved on towards a cloud provider, automated their whole OpenShift 4 as a service. Was more from an infra point of view, and then I thought, let's more focus on developer experience, moved on again. Then, a bit the same story, but then started to focus more on platform engineering, providing golden paths for developers, and now I'm back at a consultancy firm, let's call it that way, a premier partner in Red Hat Piros, and working for multiple customers, helping them implement OpenShift. And currently the focus is more on the virtualization part of it. I enjoy working with OpenShift. You can do something new every day, so yeah.
And last, we have Loïc, who was nominated by Peter Luyckx, who is also a Red Hatter. Tell us about your journey with OpenShift and how you became an ambassador.
I think I started in 2015. It was OpenShift 2 then. Yeah, it really existed, for those who doubt about it. It was great, but probably too early. So we stepped back a bit before restarting with OpenShift 3, where I learned Ansible the hard way. Let me remind how hard it was to, for instance, renew certificates on OpenShift 3 compared to OpenShift 4. At the heart, my company is a consulting company, and we are an application development company at the heart. And now we focus more and more on cloud things. And since I'm from Luxembourg, in case you didn't notice the moyen, it says hello in Luxembourgish. We were looking for a platform to build something upon, a cloud way, where cloud was not a thing in Luxembourg 10 years ago. So that's why we ended with a big smile with OpenShift nearly 10 years ago.
All right, before we move to our OpenShift users who are not here, give us your best superhero pose.
What does it look like?
Thanks, y'all. So as I mentioned, we have 2 superhero award winners who are not here with us today. So we're going to see a short video featuring Joris and Mark that is hosted by Stu Miniman.
All right, want to give a big welcome to our OpenShift superheroes. It's great to have you here. And as a matter of fact, both of you were nominated by Stefan van Oorschot. So first, Joris Cramwinckel, your team lead and product owner at Ortec Finance. You've been a front runner in adoption of some new technologies, experiment and accelerate the achievement of positive business outcomes with solutions like OpenShift AI, which I know everyone at the event are super excited to learn more and start using even more. And Mark de Jong, I know a lot of people in the community know you. You're an IT engineering lead at ING. You're both a builder and a community ambassador. Both in the open and behind the scenes, you've been advocating for OpenShift. You've contributed to requests for enhancements and new use cases over the years you've been using it. And you've also been a speaker at both OpenShift Commons and KubeCon. So we really appreciate both of your value to the community. Joris, if I can start with you, what's exciting you most about OpenShift and OpenShift AI today?
Leveraging the abilities of the Arrow OpenShift, the Azure Red Hat OpenShift. And now as a product owner, what amazes me is the elasticity. Every day I get this of course, these Azure bills, and we see like a good drop in the weekends and during the nights. And we actually see when our users of our software are really leveraging our solutions. And with OpenShift AI, we're now like going from the lab to the factory with certain solutions, and OpenShift AI really helps having that enterprise environment.
Mark, we talked a little bit about your involvement in the community. What does the community mean to you?
It's a lot about collaboration and also validation of either the troubles you run into, or if you come up with an idea, you can. There's always somebody that either has the same thought or something similar, and it really helps to collaborate on that to really come into a solution on that front.
Wonderful. Well, hey, we want to say really congratulations to both of you superheroes. I believe you've got one of those superhero masks to mark the occasion. If you could show us that.
So do you all know a superhero? So where can you find us next? We will be awarding a superhero at Red Hat Summit, May 19th in Boston, Massachusetts. And nominations are still open to further till the end of the week, April 6th. So get your nominations in. Thank you.